when it comes to handling your hair, no one's handle your hair better than you. You can't trust your hair into some other person's hand. When you handle your hair, you will be able to understand your hair, know how to care for it and what it needs, and you'll be able to handle it gently. Okay, so no one's know how to handle your hair better than you. So let's be honest, nobody, and I mean nobody, handles your hair better than you do. Not your stylist, not your friend, not your favorite YouTuber. You know your hair best. The shrinkage, the dryness, the detangling battles, and the glow up moment. You have learned her language. Because here is the truth. Your hands carry the magic your hair responds to. And today we are talking about why you are your hair's best stylist. Today, we are diving deep into a powerful reminder every natural hair queen needs to hear. No one handles your hair better than you. Let's talk about what let's talk about why that mindset changes everything in your natural hair journey. You see, we often think we need someone else to fix our hair. Maybe because we have had bad wash days, or a stylist once told us our hair was too thick or too stubborn. But your hair isn't difficult, it's unique. When you start paying attention to your hair, how it reacts to water, how it feels when it's moisturized, how it scores when it's happy, you start building a relationship with it. And just like any healthy relationship, it takes time, patience, and consistency. But here is the good part. Every time you detangle gently, every time you deep condition, every time you say no to heat damage and yes to moisture, your hair listens. The more you handle your own hair, the more you understand it. You learn its pattern. You learn what it loves. You learn what it absolutely don't like. And that's when growth happens. Not just in inches, but in confidence. I remember when I used to think my hair couldn't grow. Then I started doing my own routines, using the right product, moisturizing on damp hair, and staying consistent, and I saw results. And that's what I want for you. Not perfection, but progress. Because when you handle your hair, you are teaching it how to thrive. So here is a reminder. No one will love your hair like you do. No one will invest the time, the patience, the care, and the attention your hair truly deserves except you. Is your crown and not and only you know how it should shine. So stop comparing your coils to someone else and start understanding yours. Start experimenting, start learning, start celebrating small wins, because every twist, every wash day, every little bit of progress is worth it. If this message hits home, comment below and say it with me. No one handles my hair better than me. Remember, your hair isn't hard. It's just waiting for you to understand it. So grab that spray bottle, grab your white tooth comb, and let's make your next wash day your best one yet. Because at the end of the day, nobody handles your hair better than you. If you love and enjoy our videos, don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends that might need this video. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, because this channel is all about helping you love, grow, and understand your 4C hair with confidence and ease, thereby making your healthy hair journey a very smooth one.